is, I want to say the 5th, and Operation Utility Room has started. My office is being moved upstairs. We've got my desk up, my dressing table. This desk we think is going to go. We're not going to keep that because it's just knackered. Both my rainbow units are up. This is going up next. We're leaving this all up here. So that all it is this unit and my Alex drawers, and then I will be having a big sort out upstairs, and then obviously everything on my desk. But yeah, it's going up. Ben's up there now carrying stuff. He's my carrier. Dust. Carpet is gone.
See what I'm looking for.
What are you looking for?
Oh, there's something down here.
I see. I see. Think you're funny? You think you're funny? Good morning. It is Sunday morning and we're putting the floor down. I look rough, so I'm just not even going to film myself. It's literally like, what time is it? What time is it? 8:08 in the morning. So we're putting down this bit. Ben's going to cut this all to size, and we're going to put down the flooring. I can't even remember if I showed you the flooring we got. It's like, this is what it is from B&Q. Looks really nice. And that'll be in here. Oh. What are you doing, creepy saw? I see. I see. And that'll be in here and then in there as well. We're going to do the whole of this. We're going to do in the toilet as well, or are we going to do the same tiles as in the hallway tiles? Yeah. Just made the decision. I've just made the decision. You cracking open the first bit? Mm-hmm. Your nana bread's just come out the oven, baby. It's nearly ready. We'll give it 5 minutes and then it won't be too hot to eat, and you can have nana bread as a snack. Okay? Look, what do you think of the floor? Do you like the green, or do you think we should put something else on top of it?
Put something else.
What about this stuff? What do you think of that? Is that nice?
Sorry?
You like it?
I lay the first one down.
You lay the first one down.
That's it. You can sit right in that
Right in the corner, Mika. You come this side of it.
So jump over this side.
Jump, put your... Look, you jump, go underneath. Go underneath. There you go. Go on, go underneath. Keep coming out, come out, come out, come out. Mika.
Stand up here.
Stand up there and then you can do it, look. And then you got to put it right against that wall. Right against this wall, nice and tight.
Sit. Down it goes.
And then push it against the wall. And then right in the corner. Right in the corner, look. You got to push it up a little bit more.
With your hands.
Yeah, you did the first one. Mika, you just laid the floor. Good job.
So we do the rest now.
Well done, Princess. High five.
We can do some when you get to here. We just
Yeah?
This is the tricky bit.
We'll shout you when we need help with the hard bit, okay? Good job. I love it. Right, and then if you wait 5 minutes, then should we do a Google timer to do 5 minutes, and then your cake will be ready? Okay, let's go do a Google timer. You're so hungry. You've not just had your breakfast and an apple. Okay, Google, set a timer for 5 minutes. Okay, Google, volume 60%.
There's nothing like snow and ice in this school.
So when this goes off, you have to come and tell me. Put your boobies away. What happened, Ari?
Mika's go.
That is funny. How's it going?
The tricky bit.
Tricky bit. And then it will be all plain sailing.
That bit.
Apart from that bit. And I have been banished to the pantry to start pulling up the wet ship look floor. That is what I'm doing. Yeah. We decided to go all the way through because of how the ends were. So, yeah.
Describe the locking mechanism of the laminate floor.
Annoying as fuck.
Why is it?
Because we have to do a whole length. And it is, this length of room is about 7 meters long. Maybe a bit more. That room's like 5.5. And I don't know how big this one is. But yeah, it's not fun. We think we're going to take up the whole carpet. And then just lay carpet over the edges. I don't know. Nibbler, don't eat sawdust. Bob. So super fun. And then out the front of the house, look. There's just piles of crap. So, yeah. I'm now going to make falafel. And I made banana cake earlier, which is so good.
Look at that. Lovely and clean.
You're doing a really good job. You like hoovering?
What's that,
Dunno. No, you mustn't touch the laminate. So just do the concrete. Do these bits first.
That's it. Perfect. Yeah, get all them bits there.
Like this one.
Yeah.
Look. Whoop. Gone. Remember, don't go on the laminate.
And around here as well. That you need these bits, don't you? And keep them. What you can do if you get in these corners, watch this in. You take that off.
You can get the little bits, can't you?
You hold that and I'll move Henry for you. Go then. In that corner.
Get all them little bits.
Down the bottom. That's it. That's it. Should we go turbo power? Say let's blaze.
See. Just filming your sweeper.
You viciously broke it.
Yep. Made Aria cry. Nearly done.
Same.
It is 10:15 and the floor's down. Nothing looks right now, like everything's in its wrong place, but the floor is in. It runs seamlessly through here. Literally just goes all the way through. And this will be the utility room. I've had to take the door off the hinges because it wouldn't open enough on top of this and it was scratching, so we didn't want Mika to run into it. So here comes Ben with his head torch. How stinky is it? With a rag work to stop the girls falling over. Oh, it's damp.
It's just cold.
Just to stop the seam. Yeah, it's all done. And it looks mega. You happy with it?
Mm-hmm.
Ready for 3 more rooms? 2 more rooms. Hey guys, so it is the next day from when we finished the floor. And yeah, it looks really, really lovely. I'm really, really happy with it. I don't think it was, I didn't really explain very well while I was filming because I was just filming as we were doing it. But basically, well, we were going to just film, just going to do the utility room. What's going to be the utility room, my old office. But we realised that we wanted the boards to just run seamlessly. We didn't want like a gap, you know, have like a stopper between the doors. We didn't want that. We just wanted it to be like one long piece. So then we thought, well, we're just going to have to carry on the whole length of the room. And then we were like, you know what, we'll just do the whole room. So Ben went back to B&Q, bought a couple more boxes of laminate, and we did it. So he's really worried about it being scratched, bless him. So I went out today and got a load of these little like felt sticky things to stick on the bottom of the chairs. So I've done all that downstairs, you know, square ones and then little diddy ones and big ones. So I've done all that. And me and Ari went to B&Q. Oh, excuse me. I am absolutely shattered after yesterday. I don't know how Ben got up. I was just like knackered and I didn't do as much as him. But yeah, me and Ari went to B&Q to get those things, and I was in the kitchen department and I ended up chatting to the guy there, and he did a kitchen design for me while me and Ari were there. And basically, I think this is what we're going to go for. So this, you are at the dining room end. The double doors to outside are here. No, they're here. I'm lying. And then this is the utility room. So we've got 2 lots of drawers and then a range cooker. And then this is where the door is at the moment that we're going to turn into a window. So then we've got units, and then a sink. Come on. That's a bit of a better angle so you can see the range. And that's from the other way. So these are the doors to the living room. No, that's the doors outside. Oh my god, it's just confusing me. That's the doors outside, and then the dining table would go here, and then the other doors are there. And then that's the sink. Oh, this is the utility room. So this is where I used to film. This is the window that used to be behind me when I was filming. So we're going to have a sink, a dishwasher, a cupboard, a washing machine. This is our fridge, and then some cupboards. So yeah, I don't think we're going to get it from B&Q because I just don't like the kitchens they've got available, which is annoying because they're really, really nice, and they're not too, like, I thought they were going to be crazy money, but they're not. They're nowhere near as expensive as like Wickes or anywhere. So I think we're probably going to end up going with IKEA because I really like the range of kitchens they have. So yeah. Do you think I'm like, I feel like in my soul is black, my heart is black, I want a black kitchen. But then I think, do I actually want a black kitchen, or do I like the idea of a black kitchen? Is it going to be too much for the next 20 years? I just don't know. Oh, I can't make my mind up at all. IKEA have got a really nice one that's like a really deep teal colour, which is really pretty, and I really like that one. Ben likes that one as well. And then I like some grey ones, because we've got the grey floor now and it's a really light room, but I just kind of don't know. It's a really hard thing to design, isn't it, a kitchen, because I kind of know what I want in my head, but then I just can't seem to find it. Oh, what have I done with my hair? Can't seem to find it. I dry shampooed my hair this morning, that's what I did, which is why it's just gross. Yeah, so I don't know, but I just thought I'd come on and say hi. So yeah, that was the floor for the start of the renovations of the house, and I feel really happy and really positive that it's started already. On to the next one, and this flooring we're going to do in what is now the kitchen, which would then eventually be my office or playroom, and then the living room is going to have it as well, and then the hallway and the downstairs toilet are going to have tiles that I've picked. If I can find a picture of them, I'll put it on the screen now, of the tiles that I like. But yeah, let me know if you think a black kitchen is a bad idea. I just don't know. It's just really stressing me out because I just want to pick something, but I can't commit to it, and I don't know why. So help me. Yeah. hope your first week of 2019 has been good, and I will see you very, very soon. Aria starts nursery tomorrow. What is that about? My tiny, tiny baby starts nursery tomorrow. So, yeah, I will see you then.